Hi everyone, I am Brian. I will tell you more news about my broken SanDisk Cruzer Glide flash drive. Yeah, I hate to tell you this, but I might not be able to get the flash drive fixed at all. Yeah, here's why. Um, I'm going to try to get to glue the prongs back to that broken flash, but it couldn't. So I brought to this tech repair place in California. He didn't call the company. He just sent a tech repair place in California see if they could fix the flash drive. It was like a company. I don't know what it was, but unfortunately they couldn't fix it either. Yeah, they couldn't fix the flash drive either, and I want to return. I want them to return back to me to try to get a second chance to get it fixed, but it's gonna cost like $400. You know how much money that is? My God, $400. That's that's like so much. My dad doesn't even have that much money to get it fixed. No, he doesn't. He does have that money to get it fixed. Yeah, but and now they probably done something worse. That probably threw the flash drive out by now. Yeah, they probably got rid of the flash drive by now. Yeah, they must have got rid of it. They must have threw it away by now. And now it's really unlikely I'm gonna get it fixed now. So you know what? And Uncle Uncle Dean Uncle Dean is not sure. Uncle Dean's not sure what happened to it either. He's not sure where it is now. So you know what? So you know what I have to do now? To remake everything. Yeah, I have to reenact everything of all my projects. Yeah, I have to recreate the 2019 Scary Logos Theater video. I have to refilm the entire video over again. I got to set up my room with Bull Plus dolls and even the visitors that had in that Scary Logos Theater. I have the video playing of showing a combination of Nightmare logos. I gotta do that. I'll do it when I come home when my school year starts. When I come home from Yaya's house. When I come back to my house when my school year starts, I'm gonna read from the entire video again. Even though, even though my past videos were done like any time in the year, like especially the first ones. This one's the ones from like the 2017 edition to now. They're all done. They're not gonna be done in October now. So because it fits well. It fits well with that month because October is a fall month and October is a month where it's like one. It's like one that really best describes what a Scary Theater should be in. So that's one of Scary Theater gonna be. So the Scary Theater for this month is basically gonna be 2019 Scary Theater because like I said that there's not gonna be any further installment Scary Theater after this one. It's the Scary Theater is gonna be canceled. It's gonna be canceled for a while. Yeah, but I'm thinking about plans to return after this. So I have to reenact the animated segments too. Have to remake the part where the Joy logo where it was based on the Bing Cross logo. I made already, but I never pushed to anywhere, and therefore it's stuck in that flash drive. Same for the and while the past ones were based on the Hammer Sunstar Productions logo, this one was based on the Ben Crosby logo. Same for the advertising at the end, where everyone, where the Viacom video scares everyone. Plus, those animated films haven't sold you, or I have to create some of those too. Not the ones I sold you. I'm not gonna create those because I have them. I'm just doing the ones I haven't sold you that are on that one flash drive. Yeah, yeah. I have to recreate that. And the previous Scary was that Nature Cat, where it was scared of scary logos. Yeah, when it was like, oh, why does it have to be scary logos? Why? I'm gonna have nightmares. Yeah, that one. And then now the other thing I have to schedule is the Amazing Game. You know what? I probably might have time to premiere the series because because of because because I'm always busy with other stuff, and that I'm trying and that I having a hard time animating. That it can be a pain for me to animate sometimes. So I have to get all those other things done. So that was just my life. I have to get all the other things done before I could do that. And the script for the Amazing Game Hide and Seek, I was working on it later, but I will work on it soon. since like May 26th. I haven't been working on it, but I will work on it soon. And the intro's gonna be different. Hold on a sec. The intro's gonna be different. Yeah, when the music again scrolls up, the Melvin's blinking animation is gonna look different because it's gonna be redrawn. I think the way it scroll up is also gonna be different too, and the title cards for the episodes are gonna be different too. Well, some of those elements are from part of the wiki background made for the Amazing Game wiki, like Melvin and Fiona. They're just not on the not in the place where they live, like their house, because the background they're gonna be on when they go like this, presenting their song like title card and everything. They're gonna stand in front of their house, the Amazing Game's house, the back where they live. But yeah, the colors are based on the four main members of the Amazing Game. But yeah, so I'll try it done whenever I can. So in other words, the series is gonna be delayed indefinitely. Though, saving for this, well, I can fix this because I haven't sent to anyone yet, so I'll probably get the MTech one fixed soon. Yeah, so it means the Kingdom 5 movie open's still coming. It still is. I'll try to send a car my flash drive for it. And here's numbers of what it looked like when it broke. See that? That's the USB stick, and that's the drive for it. See, the stick came off the flash drive. I tried to put it back together, and couldn't recognize it. See that? That's what happened to it. That's why I'm scanning this Cruzer Glide flash drive. And here's the audio I have for what's the Scarecrow Theater 2019 animated segment is gonna sound like. You can look at this while I hear it.
He's over giving us nightmares.
Yeah, I know, right? I'm scared of his logos too.
It's alright, Fred. The story logo theater is over. Yeah, Fred, Hal's right that the theater is over.
Not just yet.
Look, guys, the background changed light blue. Oh, don't tell me it's going to be the... Fly come here, too.
Yeah, guys, that's how it's gonna sound like in the animation. But yeah, and so now remember I said to you. Now I have to create all those products. I have to recreate them all. I have to create all those products because the flash drive is not gonna be fixed anytime soon. I bet. Yeah, because of what I mentioned, they can't seem to return it because it costs too much, or they might throw it away already. So yeah, guys, that's all I'm gonna say for this video, and you may subscribe to my channel, comment, rate, and share. Bye everyone. Have a nice day, and peace out.